Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today because I received a package in the mail. This actually is from Krystal, my little treasure trove. This is an entry into my Subbie giveaway challenge. Unfortunately, she had some trouble with her packaging getting shipped to me, but I finally received it, so yay. Thank you so much, Krystal, for participating. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up and check out her entry. All right, so she's got it, well, I think she had it wrapped with this pretty twine, and I can reuse this. It's super thick. Thank you so much. I think it slid off when I took it out of your bag. And she's got her entry wrapped up in this pretty purple tissue, which I love. Oh my goodness. So here is her mini loaded bag, and it's absolutely adorable. Look at her super cute packaging. And on the bag topper it says Dream, and it looks like she die cut it out of some colored foam. That's really cool, and I like the way you did your topper. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and slide everything out. How super pretty. Okay, so I'll read that in a second. All right, so here is her mini loaded bag, and look how super pretty it is. Oh, it says Bliss, and I love this trim down here. That is really, really pretty. And she's got a pretty bow, and you're gonna have to tell me, where did you get this trim, Krystal? It's super cute. I haven't seen that before. All right, so let's take this out. Oh my gosh, here is her memory dex card. Love it. Love all the glittery and shimmer on it. And this is a beautiful pinwheel, Krystal. I'm not sure what dye that is, but it's super cute, and I love how you layered the flower, and I love that little bling. And she's got ribbon peeking out, and it says always smile, and she's got all these fun enamel dots. It's so pretty. I love your memory dex card. Super, super cute. All right, let me just turn it over. Okay, here is her information. That's where you can find Krystal, and she is my little treasure trove here on YouTube. So you guys show her some love and go see what she's creating. She's absolutely super creative, you guys. So you definitely want to go check out her channel. Okay, so let's keep going. In this first pocket, she's got all these little, what are these, cards? Oh my gosh, how super cute. They look like donuts, but they're in the shape of hearts. How super cute are those? And I bet she printed these off and created these. Oh, thank you so much. Your one sweet cookie. Oh, that's adorable. Love that one. And I could even use these as little cards with my cookies. Super cute. And look at her little bag. She even has like a little window right there with acetate. That's super clever. And I love the paper that you use too. It's really pretty. Okay, so let me just slide all this out. Oh, look at this beautiful sequence mix. Krystal has like an amazing sequence collection. I'm just saying. Oh, I love this mix, Krystal. It's so pretty. I can use this for spring and Easter projects. So yay, thank you so much for that. And then let's see, what is this? Oh, this is her tag. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And she used the paper tray ink dye, the sprinkled, and it says I sugarcoat everything. Oh, that's so adorable. And she's got all these little cupcakes. Oh, that's so, so cute. I love it. And then she's got another one of these really pretty pinwheels with a super cute cupcake. And it's so shimmery. Oh, it's so pretty. Love it. And then this is the back. And I can stamp a to and from on there. So perfect. Love your baking tag. So, so cute. And then here is the next baking tag, and it's slightly different. And I love this rickrack trim that you used on the top. That's really cute. And so this one has a really cute apron and a cake, and it says I sugarcoat everything, and it says sprinkled with love, sugar. And then she's got sugar, sprinkled with love, and then she's got a little sugar cut apart right there, and another one of those really pretty flower pinwheels. So pretty, Krystal. I love this, and I love this die. I have this die too. I love paper tray ink. Oh my gosh. And then this is the back, and she's got a really pretty heart. I love the way you did your tag, Krystal. So pretty. Thank you so much for these beautiful tags. And then, oh my gosh, she made some shaker tags. Oh my gosh, how super cute. It says, hey, sugar cookie. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. And then she's got that really pretty sequence mix that she created. That's adorable. I love that. And then, oh, she made another one. This one says, "You're one sweet cookie," and she turned it into a shaker. Super, super cute. Very creative. Love that. Thank you so much, Krystal. Let me just make sure. There was one more little thing in here. Don't want to forget anything. Let's see what this is. Oh, so she sent me some dies. Some die cuts. Oh, super cute. Look at the bunny. How adorable. And are these look like bows. Are they bows? Yes. Those are cute. I don't have these, Krystal, so thank you so much. I don't have this little bunny die, and he is absolutely adorable. So thank you so much for those die cuts. I will use those. Yay. And there's even some more in here, you guys. Oh, there's some eggs. Oh, yay. There's eggs in pink and green, and she die cut it out of that corrugated cardstock. Really, really pretty. Thank you so much for doing that. So I will put this with my Easter crafts, and I will try to incorporate them into some of my projects. Thank you so much for that. Okay, I loved your bag. And then she had this goodie as well. And I'm gonna open, let me just say, it says, "Erica, congrats on 11,000 subbies. You deserve it. You're a gem in our crafting community, full of creativity, inspiration. May you continue to be blessed." Aw. Have another wonderful crafty year. Crafty hugs, Krystal. Aw, thank you so much, Krystal. You're so super sweet. And then look, she sent me some goodies, and she has a hello, and I like the way you packaged all this. So let's open up this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me take that off and see what this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see. This slide looks like some die cuts, but look how super cute. This is like a cupcake. It says "sprinkled with love." Oh, and it's like a card, and it says "You're so sweet." Oh, I love that. I love that. That's a die. I wonder what die that is. I love that. Oh my gosh, how super cute is that? And it goes like that. That's a really cute card. Oh, that's adorable. Thank you, Krystal. And then, okay, so she made one for me, and then she die cut out, excuse me, she die cut out several so that I could create my own cards. Oh, that's so super sweet, Krystal. Thank you so much. I don't have this die, and so yay, that is so awesome. Thank you so much. So this creates the base, and then this is the top part. And I'm so glad I have that sprinkled die, so I can just kind of copy yours. Yay, thank you so much for those goodies. All right, guys, leave a comment and tell Krystal what you think. Definitely show her some love and check out her YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.